Are your B2B ad campaigns lighting up your dashboard, but not the pipe?
What's good? What's good, YouTube? How are we all doing? Beautiful Wednesday afternoon here in the UK. Very welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a good day so far. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold's in a very interesting place right now, guys. So let's just do a quick rundown of what we are looking at. As we talked about yesterday on the stream, guys, we're in this very large range at the moment between the 4500s all the way down to the 4370s, 4360s. And you can see here where we actually tapped that area yesterday, in fact, and we just came all the way down and we're cut towards the bottom. Now, since early this morning, since Asia session, gold has been absolutely rallying. So we're in this clear uptrend now since market open last night. We had a bit of a pullback here during London, retested this zone which we had drawn out from earlier in the week, which is absolutely fantastic that this area managed to hold. So this is a clear zone of demand, support, whatever you want to call it, but we know that there are big buyers present in this area at the 4390s. We've pushed up and we're just having a little bit of a stall now, guys. The overall target you would expect for buys, if you're in longs, would be around the 4450 marks, just due to this area that we marked up as supply yesterday. And in fact, you can just see the tail of that amazing sell. If you guys were here yesterday, you would have caught an amazing 100 pips in a couple of minutes with us. Make sure you check out that short, make sure you check out that video on YouTube. But they just see the bottom of that tail. And then what happened, we did get a bit of a push up, but instant rejection, okay? Now this rejection came from the 4462s. And if I just zoom in, you see that around the 4460s, you can see huge sellers look to enter the market on the ask. That's what caused that big move down. So ideally, if we're going to be looking for sells, we don't want to be looking for sells until we get to at least the 4450s. So if we look at the 4450s for you guys, that level is coming from where we had all that huge sellers yesterday, which triggered us into a sell, which we caught an amazing profit. But you can see not only do we have large sellers here on the ask, we also have large trapped buyers on the bid. So this is a really key area that we could be looking to take shorts from, guys. You can see the trapped buyers there, aggressive selling there. Retest this here, they all held, and now we got this huge move to the downside. We are obviously bullish for the day, and also bullish for the month overall. So all of August has been incredibly bullish. So buys will be an amazing trade. But if we, into where we're looking to buy from, guys, buying up here, very, very difficult to do. Gold has done a huge run to the upside, so we need to see quite a decent pullback, which it looks like, yeah, we're starting to see now. You can see the delta dropping, the bottom of my screen there, that's the delta. Delta has absolutely fallen off a cliff, hasn't broken those highs. We were looking perhaps at the 4420s, potentially holding, but they haven't. You can see here that these sellers on the ask are actually looking to reload and engage, and now we are moving to the downside. Now, where can we go? This takes us to our next order flow destination, which would be the 4412s. Why the 4412s? Because we have this huge breakout here. You can see over 200, 260, 270 orders on the bid, which caused the breakout. And when we had the breakout, we had the retest, and then we just kept going. Okay, there's the retest, came back above the 4412s, and then we just kept going to the upside. So in terms of buys, I'm going to delete that off. That was just a point of interest. So in terms of buys now, guys, I'm looking for this area around the 4412s to get tagged. If that area can be tagged and we hold, okay, we come into this zone and that manages to hold, then we take buys to the upside. Failing that, I'm not sure why I deleted that. I shouldn't really have deleted that. Oh, hang on a minute, guys. Let's mark that back up again, because this could be a really key area of either a target or potential supply. So we know that this area has a lot of aggressive selling, a lot of buyers taking profit at this zone. So now we're trapped in between this range around the 4423s down to the 4412s and 4409s. And if we get back into this area, then we could definitely be looking to take longs, okay? Because overall, Delta is up for the day. Delta's been increasing. We've just come into this little sticky patch here, starting to break down now, guys. Buying this high up, really risky. So we're looking for it to pull back into this area and we catch a buy much lower prices. Okay, so that's the plan for today, guys. The ideal sells are going to be the 44.50s or the 44.60s. Buys will be around the 44.10s or the 43.90s would be fantastic for buys. And these prices are all GCZ6. For anyone looking at the futures price, but that is the overall plan for today, guys. Buys look like they're trying. They're really trying up here, guys. You can see here. It has this area marked up at the 44.20s, and we have it here for a potential retest and then go again. They're just struggling. If they can push up and we manage to get a pullback, then great. We can have confirmation we can buy from here. But right now, guys, buys are just not overly attractive just yet. Just yet. So we've got our risk reward tool just lined up so we can slip it across whenever we are ready. Still holding, value very high, still holding. Took a sell earlier, guys, during London session. That's just a small, very small sell because we were so bullish. Just wanted to capitalize on a bit of a pullback there. It's a nice little win for the Float Trading Academy group. Let's have a look. So buyers really, really trying here, guys. Buyers really trying. We also have to be mindful of what's on the order book. We've got some very large orders further down. So potentially if this area can't hold, we could be looking to head to there, and then that's fine. We can buy lower, buy at a better price. So let's see, guys. Okay, now that we've done the analysis and we're ready to go, let's get Wall and K involved. Get them on board. What's up, guys?
What's up, brother?
Morning, afternoon, evening.
How we doing? How we doing?
Doing great.
Amazing.
Potential for this to hold, guys. Potential for this to hold. Let's see. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Did you want to do your analysis?
Yes.
I'll Wally
Let's
carry
do it.
on, and then I'll start.
Gotcha.
Let me share your screen.
You know whenever I'm good.
Share your screen. There you go.
All right, let's get it. Okay, let's start with gold. So, obviously, we know that fundamentally gold is very bullish, not just bullish, extremely bullish. So, we know that gold is trading in this very large range since, around 7th, 6th of August. So, if it comes down towards the lows, that's a great opportunity to buy some gold to head to higher prices, looking for around 4,500s on futures. Now, we came down here around the 14th of August, and sure enough, amazing buys. Went up to the highs and straight back down, so we know we're range bound. Now, on this second pullback, all the way down to the low of the range, we had a great buying opportunity. It didn't actually hit this area right here that cuts off of this distribution. But when we zoomed in, this was brought to my attention by one of our members right over here. On this first bounce that we had on the 14th of August, we can see we have this high volume node right here. Right here. Nice high volume node. So I'm looking to see if these buyers who brought the market up aggressively are still in play. And we can see, come today, sure enough, tapped it to the T and went straight vertical from there. So buyers are super strong towards the low. Now, what are we looking for? We're looking for price to get back up into these 44.50s for gold. So we're going to be looking for opportunities to buy gold back up there, and if not, if today continues to, stay pretty range bound, because we are trending up, but not strong. It is not strong. So it wouldn't be out of the realms that we just stay in here and we continue to trade out volume here. So we could take, short-term trades to the sell side, just back into this range. Now, for NASDAQ, let's take a quick look at our boy NASDAQ. We're at a super critical level right now. So this level right here that I've got marked up from 29,460s to 430s, this level needs to hold, because if this level breaks, NASDAQ is gonna crater. It's gonna go all the way down to 28,000s. So you know that this is such an important level that all eyes are on it. So buying opportunities are here until it breaks, and we're gonna keep buying it until it breaks. And you can see right here, price tagged it in the morning, nice bounce, tagged it again in the evening, nice bounce, and now price is just chopping around. So what can we see right now? We zoom into the daily profile. We can see we're balanced, but we can see there is a high volume node right here, well, or a little distribution right here, separating this upper distribution. So when price gets back down here, I will be attempting to take buys until this level finally fails. But just looking at it, the market is weak. NASDAQ is actually bearish fundamentally. So I would not be surprised that come New York session when the volume kicks in, that this level does break. And if it does, that's fine, because it'll break, we'll take the retest, they'll continue selling it down. All right, so that's it. Hand it over to Kate.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right, go over to Kay.
Yep.
Yep.
Whenever you are ready.
Ooh. Ah, damn it.
Okay. Perfect. Am I up? Simon?
Yeah, you're up. I think. Yeah. Sorry, I was just looking at my chart. Okay. No, it's okay. There's possible buys on gold incoming, but I'll let you do yours.
Yeah. So we just broke out of this value again. Okay. Now, last night we posted some levels. Okay. Here we go. These are the levels that we are talking about. We tapped that just before 1 o'clock. Then we came back down. Now I'm waiting for this to break off this. Then this level becomes the legit target. You guys can see the price and everything on the side. Okay. Now this was a good buy zone. As you can see, heavy buy came in here. So we marked the area. We expected some resistance around here, which we did get. And now we tapped this area coming back down. Now, in order for me to buy, I want to see it go above all of this. Then I'll look to buy. Now let's take it to futures market. I'm looking at GCV, guys. Here's a GC. Okay, we had this level marked, as you can see, and yeah, we tapped that, came back down, took X4, and now we're trying to move back up. Now let's go back to GCV. 90 to 4400 is a key area. This is a key area for us. I'm expecting the price to get up to 4400, and if we get a break above 4400, 4425 going to be the legit target. Now let's go here and look at this. As you can see, look at the gamma, 5.54 million gamma sitting at 4400. Okay, and look at the put to call ratio. Call is the red, call is the green one, and put is the red one. Okay, there's more buyers sitting there. Okay, now 44.25 is another key level. 44.50 is another key level, and 4500 is a really key level. If we do go to the downside, this is a key level. Okay, and I can see some put to call ratio here. So 4350 and 4300. These are going to be key levels. As you can see previously, we had a lot of gamma sitting over here. 4350. As you can see, market came down, tapped it, went back up to 4375. Now, not much gamma sitting there anymore, because obviously dealers took their positions off. Hence, You do not see anything at 50 or 75. Look at this. It's just minor. There's nothing literally. So that's why we mark those levels like, made it smaller. But look at these ones. These are thicker and hold more importance. So here's the plan, guys. I'm expecting the market to go above this 4400 level. Once it does, I want to see it doing volume, transacting volume. If it transacts volume, I want to trade it up to 44.25. That's it for now, Simon.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys for your analysis, as always. Sorry guys, the music's gone back up. See if we can hold the 20s again.
Wall.
Okay guys.
There are
Yes,
some
sir.
sellers sitting at 44.10, sorry, on GCB.
GCB.
Yes. So if we can go above that, it's all buyers.
Yeah.
So we really need to clear this 44.10 area, and then we can go a lot higher.
Okay guys, let's see if this 20s can hold again. If we can, I'm interested in taking this long. 20s are holding really, really strongly. I know we're extremely high, guys, but gold has been extremely bullish. And this area where this trap sellers is really holding. I did multiple times. Delta's dropping as well, still can't push down. So let's see. No. That's why you don't rush in, guys. Let's see. Gotta hold now. Thank you everybody for the 50 subs. Really appreciate it. We got to the big number. Very, very happy with that. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much indeed. Helps us grow the community, helps us reach hopefully millions of people and spread the good word of order flow.
Okay, it looks like we're coming back down again.
Okay, guys, so still holding at the 44.20s. Still holding. Delta continuing to drops now, going into negatives, so we're just keeping an eye on it. Very, very close eye. No news today, guys, until much later. We've got Trump doing a speech later tonight. We've also got the FOMC minutes.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh my God. Look at my TPO. We are definitely heading to this then. We needed Mr. Trump to say something, eh?
Okay, guys.
True.
We're going here.
Still
But
negative.
from where will we start that move? Here? Or
well,
maybe down lower?
Closer to the time, we'll find out. But look at this yellow line. Here's one, and yeah, and the POC as well. If we could come down to the POC, we could look for a buyer on here.
I think
Yeah,
there's
guys.
pretty good chance that we're going to head down towards the POC because there's just not much volume right now.
Exactly.
It's really struggling to get out of this. Really struggling.
And also remember, we have sellers sitting up to
Oh, maybe this time.
this
Nope.
point. Just kidding.
It could break out, guys. Just not clear. There you go. Oh, that's a shame. That's going with volume.
Oh, I came up profitable on my buy, by the way. I closed it.
Perfect.
Let's see.
Christian, did you take that buy or no? Okay, we're tapping the area again. I want to see a close above that.
Yeah, oh, this looks like it might be the could be the breakout finally, guys. Gonna go without us, which would be a real fucking shame.
Is this the comics open? Comics?
Yeah, yeah, cash open.
No,
Okay.
Yes,
this is the
Comics.
session.
Comics.
comics open.
This
Yeah,
session rollover. Comex, CBOE.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together.
there it goes, guys. Damn it, motherfucker. Sorry, guys. Didn't. It's okay, there were plenty of ops.
Sorry, guys. He's got Tourette's. It's okay.
Many more opportunities. Let's see.
And I remember back in the day when people were always like asking me, why do you swear so much, Wall? I'm like, I don't know. And now it's like, dude, why do you swear so much, Simon? I barely swear. Simon's got body mouth.
Now we're on our own stream. I'm always sweating. Finally getting some. Ah, Jesus.
There you go.
Yeah, we had it drawn out. It's all good.
I'm on profit. I close my trade. I'm waiting for a break of this.
Oh, snap. Who saw that? Huge order came through on the order book just then, guys. So very, very interesting. Let's see what happens. Let's see if he gets tagged.
Oh, man, he's stacking above price.
Yeah, we're getting some very big orders stacking above price now, guys. After that little breakout there. This is why you don't chase the move. Rather have missed that little rally up, which was only about 50 pips. Then be liquidity for this guy up here. Let's see. We might blow right through him, or he might pull, might spoof, might pull away. Let's observe. Let's observe. Yeah, one push down. Imagine all the FOMO buyers. They don't FOMO in, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Patience, my friends. Got an announcement at the end of the stream, guys. Big announcement coming for tomorrow. Big treat for you guys tomorrow on YouTube. Stay tuned for that at the end of the stream.
Okay, massive delta came in. Massive positive delta came in. Let's see what happens. This is getting interesting. Buy. I'm buying again.
Okay, guys, K's and buys.
Now, this is a huge area that I'm working with, guys. Keep that in mind. So my stop loss is massive. Because I use smaller positions, I could take them kind of trades, you see.
Mm.
These are the areas I'm looking at.
Let's see. There you go. Starting to pull back, probably into the 44.20s again. Very, very interesting. I've got a very large order stacking above price. Right now, that's a passive seller that's submitted a pending order onto the order book. Very significant size as well. Does that mean the market's going to collapse? No. It just means we need to be aware of it. Like when you go swimming in the sea, if there's a shark in the water, you need to know that it's there so you can adjust accordingly. So that's what we're doing, just observing the market right now. This big guy in the water, we're not trying to fight him. We're still trapped in the 44.20 level.
I don't know about you, but if I see a shark in the water, I'm running. I'm out of that. I'm out of there.
You're running.
I'm not observing the situation. I'm gone. I'm gone.
I'm gonna turn into Moses and part in that bloody sea, bro. What are you talking about? Oh man, obviously I can swim faster than that thing, but definitely I can run.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think yeah. Shark messes you on land. I think you could beat it.
I think I got a pretty good chance on the land.
Feels super risky up here, guys. Super risky.
I wanted it to come down a little bit more so I can add to my buy. It did not quite get there.
You can get. Don't worry, guys. Plenty of trading left in the day. Still got NYSE to come. We're 2 for 2 this week on the New York stream, so very, very pleased with that. See if we can keep that record going.
People move back up. We need to clear this high and start doing volume.
Yeah, who's in the chat today? Who we got on the years? Check out the YouTube. We've got welcome. You're very welcome, everyone. If you find it useful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, please subscribe. Helps us grow the channel. Helps us reach more people. Or the buyers coming in again. Buyers coming in again.
I think we're gonna go sideways here for a moment before we decide. Okay, it's 1:30. Let's see what happens.
That beautiful sell that we took yesterday, guys. TP absolutely destroyed. Make sure you go watch that video and on our channel. It's absolutely fantastic trade with the community live on YouTube for you guys. And wow, look at this. I know everyone was buying the dip, which worked out really well, but wow, what an absolute drop off on gold we saw. No more room to go back up. But wow, that was an incredible move down. Incredible.
I think it happened in a split second. It's just like bloop, TP
Oh,
hit.
it's great. It was great. Trading View couldn't actually catch it, keep up with it. The candle was really delayed. See what we're doing. So yeah, got plenty of room to the upside, guys. It's all about positioning. It's all about making sure we're buying from the ideal spot. Oh, what an absolute change this is. Absolute banger. See, yeah, she just really wants to push up. You can see it.
My entry is the perfect resistance. Amazing.
Oh, that's the story of most traders' lives. It's like, I'm in. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'm on profit. Let's go. Keep going.
And this order keeps going up. Was 148, it's now 152. Every chance of clipping that order. Here we go.
There you go. Come on, break it.
Here we go.
It needs to break it. It needs to break it.
Okay. Here we get filled. Oh, he's dropped right down to now 146. Oh, bang!
Wow.
There we go. 148 on the bid
Go.
filled. This is gonna go, I think.
All right, I'm closing full. Done. Good trade. Good trade. Now I want to see a break above 4,400. AKA 44.33. I want to see a break above. And then I'll look to buy again. We are doing volume, guys. We are transacting volume.
Yep.
And here is where I say, why did I close it?
Need to get a
Why
pullback,
did you
guys.
close it?
Call resistance. Right above.
Oh, yeah, but tagged it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful breakout there, guys. Beautiful breakout.
And the next area should be the 45 if call resistance breaks. Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Look at
Yeah.
this. You do not want to
Something
buy this.
happened because it's also happening on the NQ and the ES. So I think something came in. Let me check.
Someone says something. Someone says something.
Trump
Yeah.
said something.
Trump woke up.
El Trumpo.
Trump woke up. He woke up from his nap.
Yep. Trump, all he needs to say is like, he just needs to tweet like, good morning. And then the market goes crazy.
Good morning. I just woke up.
Boom.
Thank you for your attention to this matter. And market just shoots up. Oh, look at it. Okay, looks like we're heading
Wow.
towards the next target. Here's the next target, and then this. I'm buying more.
Oh, case bought.
But there's a chance of it pulling back, just to let you know. So I'm gonna buy the pullback. Basically, I'm building my positions, if that makes sense.
Yeah, we need to see it pull back at least until the 27s, guys. We're gonna try and buy this, take advantage of this. Unless we
I
trade at
wanna
the 45.
see. Sorry, Simon. I wanna see a pullback down to 24.33 on GCZ, like
Yeah.
700 drop, and then I wanna buy again.
Yeah. Whoa,
Forget
whoa,
it. It's
whoa.
gone, bros. It's
No,
yeah.
completely gone.
Something has happened.
That's quite the move.
Yeah, I'm just
Oh my
gonna
God.
hold. I'm not even gonna get rid of it. It's going because we just broke off this value. Now, where is it gonna go?
Holy
That's the
shit.
next target. Like, okay, previous days POC could be a spot where we could find some resistance. It's gone away.
Yeah, it's completely gone.
All right.
Yeah, it's right now at POC indeed.
I'm taking profit. There you go. I'm 204. I'm on 204 at the moment. Let's go. Good trade.
44.50 tagged.
44.50 tagged.
This is
Well,
absolutely-
on. Oh yes,
Right.
44.53 on. Finger. Let's go.
What a move, guys. What a move.
We just tapped the put support 0 DTE. Did I get the levels correct?
Put support is sitting at
I must have got the-
25 on the V.
Oh my God, what the hell?
Yeah.
What is going
okay.
on?
This is where I want to see some action.
Wow,
If it
okay.
breaks
Wow.
above this,
Wow.
if it breaks above this, I want to buy more. This is why you just follow the trend. You need options market to understand these things.
No, you need
know what I
Donald
mean?
Trump. You need Donald Trump in the Discord. That's
Donald
what you need.
Trump. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll contact him.
Holy shit.
I'm probably gonna get the Temu version of Donald Trump, bro. I mean, he is a Temu version of himself. I'm not gonna. It can't be any any worse.
Oh man. Wow.
All right, financial juice, guys. Financial juice. Go there and figure out what's going on. Marvel issued to Google a warrant.
Yeah, here we go. Something with the US Treasury Department announces increased size of nominal long end.
Wow. Yeah. That is crazy. Then try and chase this move, guys. This is
Okay, look at this. Where are we heading? This value.
nasty stuff. Here we
This
go.
value.
Got filled. Another one just got filled. Oh. Oof.
Still going.
All you can do here, guys, is just sit back and watch, unless you caught the pie at the bottom. That is insane. Marking these up,
Well,
future reference, guys. Mark them up for future.
I know I said, we should trade back to the, top of the range, but Jesus, not in like 10 minutes. What the hell?
It just
Amazing.
completely ignored the POC of the whole range, the whole current range.
Yeah, it just went
of this
yeah,
month.
I'm just happy I bought it before that move happened.
Yeah.
Because just before the move happened, huge positive delta came in. Look at this. What? Look at
Huge.
this. Can you see?
Yeah, I see
This
it on my chart
positive
too.
delta. Yeah, this gave me the clue. Okay, we are ripping right through.
We've just gone right to the top of the range that we just talked about at the start of the call, guys. That is crazy. We started the day at the bottom of the range and now we just got to the top. Incredible.
Started from the bottom, now we hit.
Incredible. whatever you do, don't try and catch the go for glory and try and catch the amazing sell, guys. Wait for structure to form. You don't want to try and fight this.
I'm buying. Going to 50s. Yeah. 44.83 is the next target.
Mhm.
Oh, there we go again, guys.
Okay.
44.74, another rally. Woof.
All right, and I'm taking profit. Let's go.
Nice.
Wow, wow, wow.
44.83 is the next target, and yeah, let's see. On GCV, it's going to be 44.50. After that, I want to see a pullback from 44.50. I do not want to see it go up any further. I really do not want to see it go up any further. I want to see a pullback from there, and then maybe tomorrow I want to buy all the way up to 4,500.
That's a 65. See if this can hold, guys. Woof.
Okay, something's happening.
Man, I was thinking about buying it right
Yeah.
around there, and
Yeah.
it just like jumped up.
I just looked at
Oh.
it.
That was
Oh
so.
my
That was
God.
so quick. Far too quick.
That's algos. That's an algo trading right there.
71, 70s. Okay, we got something aggressive coming on the arse now. We do. Okay, so we got some very large. This could just be taking profit, guys, or could be large sellers entering the market, but it's definitely not something you just want to sell off the rip. Need to let this just calm down. Just stay calm, guys. Last thing you want to do is blow your accounts trying to chase this move.
Yeah.
I know it's all very exciting, it's all moving, but just chill. You know, what's happening now is this market is creating levels and it's creating areas of interest for us that we can trade off later today, or we come back tomorrow and trade off them. So the market's not going to go anywhere. Oh, okay, it's popping off.
There's small
Oh.
stop loss below this. Stop loss right below this. 44.03 on spot. I'm expecting support around here and then move back up. Let's see what happens. We'll just sit here and wait.
I was unable to break the 65s. Oh. Crazy moves up, guys.
Launching a new ad campaign is exciting.
Overall on profit, and I'm done. There you go. My God. Found support exactly where I expected support to be. We're going higher because next target is 44.83 on what's the thing called? On MGC. Remember, I was telling you guys earlier on the premium call that we can expect a lot of volatility.
Mhm.
I don't know whether if Simon was here or not, but Walt, you're definitely
Yeah,
and here's
yeah.
the volatility. Is it because someone someone said something, or Trump said something? No, it's because of the amount of gamma expiring. But keep in mind, 26 is going to be really, really important. Looks like we can find some more support here. Yeah, I'm buying more. Keep buying until we get there. Why? Oh, no. This is gonna flip. There you go.
Ooh.
Here's the flip.
There we go.
Close. Close. I'm just milking this market. Okay, 200 up.
There we go.
Okay.
There's the push.
Across all account is 3 grand.
All large orders stacking above price, guys. So we're going to tap into the. Oh wow, we are. We're going. We're going. We are going. Oh, okay, guys. Tapped into a very key area. Can we get a bit of a pullback here, maybe? Looks like it wants to.
Wall. 56% up today.
Oh, nice.
Straight back down.
There you go. Are we finding resistance? Have a look, Wall.
Mhm. Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah, like we said earlier, guys, when we did the analysis, this area is absolutely key. Where are we? Exactly where we started to collapse on Tuesday as well. But let's just see. We are so bullish, guys. So overall, just bullish. Look at, I mean, look at the delta. Look at the move. We certainly don't want to try and force a sell here. Gonna let War take over for me for a second, and I'll be right back.
Alright, I'll do it.
Okay, we got to HPL 0 DTE again. Perfect.
So some people will be looking at this chart and going, what am I looking at? This is a footprint chart, and this is on the NinjaTrader platform. I've coded this into NinjaTrader myself, and we're basically looking for signs of absorption of either buyers or sellers, or aggressive buyers and sellers creating imbalances in the market to take our trades. Now, I could have bought it right here, but man, I just am not too happy with the location of price having moved so far already. So I just don't find it to be great value for my money to buy gold here. I think I'll just switch it over to my trading view screen, something a little bit easier for you guys to read and follow along with. Alright, so right now we are already back here. So we can see we've got the X level 6, 4483. And we have this high volume cluster up here, and we're starting to find rejection here. Does that mean we're actually gonna take back the entire move or anything? No. just means that there is going to be resistance up here. There are going to be traders selling it up here. There are going to be traders taking profit up here after such a huge move. So let's give it some time and allow the market to create a clear range for us to play off of. And you can see it's doing it as we speak. And it just so happens that it's putting in volume in between these levels here. So let's clean up our chart a little bit. Alright. I will be looking, more or less just for buy continuations. There's no reason to sell it as sellers are simply not in control. And price is shooting up. Yep, and it's like we're finding acceptance up here. We should see into the 4090s now. 4490s now at this rate. Which is incredible to even think about.
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know there's a YouTube music app where you can also listen to the EDM version, the ska version,
Large
of course the original version.
absorption of the buyers up here again. Well, looks like it's gonna pull back into this range that's developing again. I would like to see it try to test the lower edge and then see if I can catch a buy. Just rotate it straight back up.
Sorry, guys. Thanks, Paul. I am back.
Alright.
Check it out. Okay, so the 60, 66s, 65s holding extremely well. So it's an area of interest that we can mark up for potential pullback. Pull back into. Also approaching the 4500s, and we know how key that level is there, guys. So if they start to trade first, then you definitely don't want to be chasing that move. Yeah, look at that, still going, still going. Yeah, so we got large aggressive selling entering the market, exactly the price what that wall was talking about. And also what we went over this just before when we did the market overview and the market plan. Still don't want to try and sell this. It's like stepping in front of a train at the moment, guys. You just really don't want to jump into a sell until we start to see really aggressive sellers start to take over and actually making some moves in the market. But right now, guys, we don't have any structure to indicate this is going to reverse and come down. In fact, oh Jesus. Wow. He is moving. But we are seeing sellers appear, so either this is a lot of buyers taking their profit. sellers trying to enter the market. As I say, we're approaching a really key area. See what happens.
Well, there we go. We reached the top of the range.
There she goes. And there she goes.
That might be the quickest range trade you've ever seen in such a large range, from bottom to top, just like that.
Check it out. When we started the call just over an hour ago, we were here. Okay. And now, wow. Oh my goodness.
Wow,
Guys.
we took it out.
Oh my god. That's the
You
high
can't
of
be
the
serious.
range.
Are we gonna break out the range from that low in one go?
That is the high of the range, guys. That is the high of the range. Wow.
That's wild. Yeah, that just happened.
Okay, guys, let's see what's going to happen at the top of the range now. See, sellers trying to get in. Sellers are really trying to get in, guys. You can see that just on the footprint and the book map. But there is just
That's not a
nothing,
good sign.
nothing for them. There's nothing for them. Look
The
at that.
more they try to sell this, the more it's gonna rip.
Exactly. It's like we were talking about yesterday, guys. Just like an auction, okay? What does a buyer need on the other side? Can't just push the button. They can't just push buy and sell on MetaTrader like we do. They need someone to sell to them. So what you're seeing is, guys, and this is where the retail in this market, in fact, I guarantee you, and I'm going to ask Wall to do an exercise in a minute, go to every other trader that's trading Forex or doing whatever they're doing with gurus, and I guarantee you a lot of them have just been absolutely railroaded in sales. Because you get this sellers trying to enter the market, you get these little pullbacks, you get these little candles trying to pull back. Okay, we've broken into, well, we tried to break yesterday's high. Absolutely crazy. Look at it. We just could not catch that buy.
Okay.
We had it drawn out. It just happened too quick, guys. Far too quick, but it is what it is. You know, we have not had a loss on stream since the 30th of July. We are on one hell of a streak. But don't worry, guys, there'll be another trade. There'll be something. If not today. But we've got a big announcement for tomorrow, guys. Real treat for you guys coming tomorrow. Stay tuned. I'll make sure to tell you what that is at the end of this stream. What a move up, guys. What a move up. What we'll do, guys, in a minute, we will do a markup. We'll refresh our charts just after that huge move, and we'll mark up the key areas where we could potentially be looking for pullback buys. Wow, Jesus, what a move up. How big is that move? How big was that move? So
Big as hell.
we got onto the stream here at 1 p.m. 44.17. In fact, we were talking about the 44.20s, guys. We were saying 44.20s. If that holds, 44.20s. And that has gone from the 44.16s to the 4500s in 20 minutes. Wow. Wow. Insane. It doesn't show any sign of slowing down, actually, guys. I've got to be straight with you. We will go back through and mark out the key areas we could be looking for potential buys. Still got NYC to come, guys, so do not stress. For sales, guys, we really need to see some sort of structure being formed to the downside. We need to see a really big push down, and then we need to see sellers holding. Okay, we can't just jump into sales straight away. Yes, we have got a lot of sellers entering the market, but as Wolf said, the more the price drops, the more chances are of buyers buying it straight back up. So it could be instant stop loss. Okay, that's why we need to think of it like an auction. Okay, so this could just be sellers dropping down price for buyers to buy more. Okay, so we don't want to get caught in that. So what we need to see is some structure forming to the downside with aggressive selling, delta dropping, and then a pullback, and then sellers holding and defending the price, and then we can take moves to the downside. So that's why we're being really patient here, guys, just waiting for market to find its value, find where it wants to trade. I certainly don't want to give any profits back to the market. Yes, it would have been nice if we could have taken advantage and caught that big move. Couldn't get in quick enough before it just took off.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try it free of charge.
Hey is unusually quiet.
Yes, K is very quiet.
Okay. Right, so let's see, guys. So we're at this key area that we marked up previously. Not jumping into anything just yet. We've just had an enormous move, guys. Enormous move. 700 pip move. Probably more. So right now we just need to mark it to do a big deep breath. Decide what it wants to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps us grow the channel. Thank you very much for the likes, guys, on this video. Really appreciate it. Really value the support that we're getting, whether you like a video, whether you subscribe, whether you join the free Discord, which I really recommend that you do. We really value and appreciate your support. So thank you. It really means a lot. Okay, guys, this is what we want to see. We want to see this start to trickle back down, give people opportunity to buy. Whereas Edwin says, where's Spider-Man to stop the train? I can even picture that scene in Spider-Man when he's holding the webs trying to stop it. See, again, guys, you don't want to. If you were to jump into that cell, you would have just got absolutely rock. Anything for you, Wolf?
No. Just too far gone for me, man.
Yeah, no, same.
I had like one brief opportunity to buy it and it just like instantly shot away. I was like, damn, that's so fast. Like, okay, whatever.
Listen,
Oh, what a mess. What a mess. Not if you bought it. If we managed to catch that buy at the 20s, that would have been, oh, that would have been the whole move. But
The real question isn't why gold's going up. The real question is where has K gone? Where has K gone?
let's see it. It's gone. He's probably done it. He's done for the day. He was in all those buys that were. He went through all that drawdown and now bang, $500 in profit. Yeah, we'll just keep going, keep going. What we'll do, guys, we'll remark our charts up in a second. Just get those key levels together. You guys can see how we do that. And then, of course, we'll wait for the NYSE to open and see if that can give us any sort of entry with any sort of pullback, anything like that, and we can jump on board. But if it's a no trading day, it's a no trading day. That's absolutely fine. I'd rather have a no trading day than a blown account. So it is what it is. But as I said, guys, doesn't mean that we have missed the move. It just means that the opportunity wasn't there for us to get in. And the market will always, as you can see, guys, in this range. Let's go here. Let's talk about it real time. In this range, do you know how many people said that were down here thought, ah, fuck, I missed the move when it did that rally? Came all the way back down. Now, do you know how many people went, ah, fuck, I missed the move? And it's gone back up. Same thing, when we come up here and we came down, ah, fuck, I missed the move. Came up here, ah, fuck, I missed the move. Guys, gold will always go back to the same places. So you haven't missed a move, you can get the move again. There's always going to be an opportunity, okay? With moves like this, yes, FOMO kicks in, emotions can kick in. But what it does is, for me, personally, just sitting here looking at it, yeah, it would have been amazing to catch that buy, it would have been done. But we didn't, and that's completely fine. Didn't fit within our plan, didn't spot the opportunity. 65s, we just weren't quick enough. It is what it is. But it leaves behind tons and tons of areas of interest that we can take advantage of moving forward. So I'm not worried, guys. We can always come back tomorrow and we can be back down here and we can take a buy. Okay? So we've got plenty of opportunities, okay? Don't worry, people miss that move, people miss that move, people miss that move. And look, we always came back to the scene of the crime, as Raw likes to say. Do not worry. Wow, that is another big, oh my God. Oh my Lord. This is crazy. Okay, so for the first time, we've actually got a huge passive order added on the bid, on the buy side, which aligns quite nicely with that little area of demand that just got created. So we'll just mark that bad boy up. This could be a pullback area, perhaps. Oh. Mark that up. Quite a nice little area. Down there. Down. Potential pullbacks, guys, to the 90s there. We can do that, and that area can hold. That'd be a really nice buy from there. Who we got watching? Who we got watching today, War, on the YouTube?
Jeez. No, no one's commenting. No one is commenting today.
22 views so far. I think we've got 4 people watching, and 3 likes. You're very welcome. You are very welcome, guys. Right now, we are just waiting for the market to calm itself down. Waiting to have a little bit of a breather. And potentially look for moves to the upside. Obviously, very difficult to trade in this scenario, so that's why we're just observing. That's why we're just watching, okay? We weren't lucky enough to catch this move at the bottom that we were waiting for. Didn't align with our plan. It just literally had a rocket strapped to its back and off it went. And now we need to, so we're breaking into yesterday. Wow. This thing is just, is it done 1,000 pips? Yeah, that's 1,000 pips. Incredible. We have got NYSE open, guys, so don't worry, might get a chance.
Dang. I can just reading the comment section, in the general chat. It's just got me thinking. Dang. Did Edwin try to Spider-Man the train? Did he just try to hold it back?
Oh no. Edwin, did you jump in front of a train thinking you were Spider-Man? But you turned out to be Spider-Monkey and then just got brushed to the side. Yeah, Eduardo also asked me, did any of us catch it? Well, Kay did.
Oh yes, Kay caught chunks of it. Chunks here, chunk there.
Yeah, caught pieces. Yeah, pieces of it as it was going up.
Yeah.
When you first joined the stream, guys, we were looking at this area here to buy from. We just could not get in it quick enough. And it's just continued to rally to the upside. So at the moment, guys, it's not looking great unless we can get NYSE to give us a bit of a pullback. We'll take advantage of that. Let's go over this then, guys. So let's get our footprint chart back up and let's see what we can find in terms of areas of interest. So if we had the stream right out, guys, right at the start of the stream and yesterday's stream, we talked about this very large range that we're in the 4,500s down to the 4360s. We have now finally, after weeks, blasted off. We have broken out that range. We are now sat at the 4520s. Okay, guys, so now we are going to finally remove these areas. And now what we're going to be looking for is potentially using them as support, demand, however you want to call them. Because when we move up like that, we leave behind clues like this. So you can see here at the 4480s, 4479, really huge order flow activity on both sides of the market happening at these areas. So we know this is an area where sellers are getting out and buyers are stepping in, or sellers are trying to step in, buyers are taking them out. Okay, so these are areas that we have to consider and have to mark up for future reference. Okay, so that's exactly what we're doing here. So what's fantastic about the perfect, you can see that. So this area here that I just marked up just now, you can see the perfect retest of that area, and we've exploded from it again. So straight away, 4480s is a key area for us to be looking at. Again, down to the 4465s. We'll be looking at the same thing. There's so much volume in this market. See again, down by the 4460s. Now, interestingly, the 4465s again was a nice area that we were looking to potentially take buys from. Again, retested there and we took off. All this stuff is just happening far too quickly. We've also got the VWAP there. So I think those are pretty much the areas that we'd be looking at for, guys. Delta, very interesting. You see, we've got this. Okay, I'm going to use a retail term here. We have a double top on the Delta, and we've just collapsed back down towards the negatives. So if Delta continues to fall, and we can already see here that we have large sellers entering the market, we can see them there quite nicely displayed on the ask. Potentially we could get a pullback. Okay, pullback to where? Well, take your pick, really. we've got the 4500s. Yeah, lots of order flow activity there. So let's mark up these key areas. There we go. You can see every single area that I've just marked up, guys, has had a bit of a retest. Defended price and gone. Defended price and gone. Defended price and gone. So this is exactly why we have these areas marked up. So potentially pullback areas, guys, 4500s, 4480s, and 4460s. Don't know about Wall, but I'm definitely not excited about the sells right now. Certainly not something that I'll be looking to entertain without seeing an extreme drop off. What's also nice about these moves up, guys, they leave pockets of low volume. Really, really good. And right away, guys, even you can see, guys, even this high up, okay, even this high up, we've just done over 1,000 bits. Even this high up, we've got huge pending orders coming on the order book. So 156 orders that's there underneath price. Let's see what happens when they get filled. This is no joke. This market is absolutely no joke today, guys. Patience, guys. Patience when the market's like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you take advantage and join the free Discord. Tons and tons of free content in here, guys. Post a daily analysis every single day. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Daily analysis, guys. Just spot on once again. I always post this before or just at the London Open. Currently looking for pullbacks into 43.91. Next second, what we got 43.91. That would have been a perfect buy. So if you were in the Flow Trading Academy community and you followed that daily analysis, you would be done for the year. Tons and tons of free content, guys. If you're interested about how we set up our charts, there's lots of videos, useful videos in there for you as well. If you're interested in learning how we set up our order flow charts. Oh, wow. Okay. Big seller just entered the market, guys. Big guy, big boys. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. NYSE open in 3 minutes, guys. Can't ignore this, guys. Cannot ignore it. Marking it up just as a point of interest. I'm not looking to take a trade off of it. Just marking it up as a point of interest. This is obviously a bit of a ceiling now for gold, okay, at the 45.22s. So let's just see if we can break through it. We just had an aggressive, large aggressive selling blast through passive buyers, okay. Let's see where we get to. Gold still wants to go higher. Jesus. What can we do? What can we do?
What's your plan, Simon?
Plan right now is just to wait for pullbacks into the areas that I just marked up. on gold. So we're looking at the 4500s. We could see aggressive sellers trying to push the price down here. So this could be another area of interest if this continues to go to the high side. So yeah, right now it's just sit back and wait. Can't buy this up here. So it's just gonna absolutely rip. What about you? Anything?
Nope. Nothing. I got nothing on this, man.
No. Okay, guys, got NYSE is just opened. It's looking like one of those days today, guys. I think it's just gonna be one of those days. So fucking high. So fucking high up. There's another key area of interest, okay, guys. This is where we saw that huge passive buy get filled. Right there.
YouTube Premium, videos and music ad-free. One subscription, 2 apps. Try it free of charge.
What we think, we become. Don't wake up.
Wowee. New York did us no favors there, guys. Absolutely no favors. Waiting for the pullback. Thank you so much for the 50 subs again, guys. That really, really means a lot. And how many like 3 likes on the stream today, guys. Thank you very much for every single like and sub. Helps us feed K for a day. Thank you so much. It's going to be one of those days, I think, where we just can't catch it. Cannot catch it. Unless we can get a pullback.
You know, like at this point, I'm super tempted to actually start selling it, but I'm trying to fight myself and say, don't do it. Don't do this. Don't put yourself through this kind of pain.
I'll be lying to you if I said this wouldn't be a good sell zone. Any normal day. Because look at all these huge sellers that have come through at this price. Delta is absolutely tanked. Did you hear my retail term earlier? I said that. I said double top.
Ah, okay.
Delta created a lovely double top. Now Delta's absolutely tanking. So could this be where NYSE opens up and just rips? Goes back to the bottom of the range.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine if it did that? That'd be wild.
Stop loss would have to be like 90. If I was to call this out for YouTube, it would have to be like 90. Oh, okay, guys. Oh, look at this. Okay. We are getting sellers here, guys. We are getting sellers. So I'll give it another 10 minutes, guys, and then we'll do the announcement, and then we'll call it a day because it's. Oh damn! Oh. That's why you don't buy the highs. This is why you do not buy the highs. Look at that. Jesus. Hashtag don't buy highs. I could hear
Come back
everyone on
to
YouTube
4,500.
screaming at me saying, buy it. Why are you not buying it? Because this could happen at any moment. Sorry, Will, you said.
Oh, I was just saying, it's coming back to the 4,500s now.
Yeah.
Probably gonna get a reaction somewhere around there.
Yeah,
Unless it decides to take back the entire move or something crazy.
that would be outrageous. That would be absolutely outrageous. Oh, there it goes again. Jeez. Oh, wow. Want to move back up from there. $4,500 to the T. Did you buy that one?
No, I sold Nas instead.
Okay.
Da, da, da. Well, at least there's a Nas trade.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Oh, did gold bounce? Oh man, Jesus. Jesus
Bounce.
bounced.
That's right off that 50. More and more negative delta, but nothing significant. Wow, what a perfect bounce that was.
Oh, okay. K bought the pullback at the 4,500s.
Okay, what, is he gone? Where is he?
He posted it. He posted it. Dude, he must be like trading on the go.
Wow. So it looks like it's gonna hold, you know. Okay.
Now, logically speaking, it should consolidate in range up here to, balance itself out after such a massive move.
Yeah,
Logically
between
speaking.
these two areas, yeah. No, you're right. You're right.
But, logically speaking, it never should have gotten up that much that fast anyway, so.
Anyway, guys, it's probably now a good a good time. We've been here for 2 hours, but gold is just golding. But tomorrow there will be no live stream. Oh, thank you so much for the like, guys. That's amazing. There will be no live stream for New York. However, I'm not around tomorrow. However, we are opening up the Discord trading room to you guys. So all you have to do is join the free Discord, and you will be able to trade with us live during
For the New
NYSE.
York session.
During NYSC. I was gonna say all day, but it won't be. For the New York session, join the Discord tomorrow only, guys. Thursday, tomorrow, NYSC only. You'll be able to trade live for free with us. Come see what we're all about, the Flow Trading Academy, but you have to join the free Discord. Okay, guys? Oh man, look at that. This is
All right, let's call it there then.
what an unbelievable day.
Yeah.
What an unbelievable day. Yeah, guys, I think we're just going to consolidate up here for a while. I was tempted to potentially take a sell, but then I could get rocked. So, guys, I'm going to end it there. No trade today, but we've had a really good week so far. Caught an amazing trade yesterday for you guys. Caught a good buy today during, caught a good sell today during London. No trades during NYSE. Is what it is. Can't have a trade every single day. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Sorry, I won't see you tomorrow, but the Flow Trading Academy community will see you tomorrow in the Discord, and I will be back on Friday, guys. So peace out. Take care. Much love. See you very, very soon.
See you guys soon.